guys, welcome. It's Jilly Cube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Thank you for joining me, and thank you so much for your lovely comments. Thanks for the subscriptions, guys. I've had lots of people telling me that they have not been having notifications and trouble with YouTube letting them know when a video comes up. So somebody has told me that if the people that think they're subscribed unsubscribe and then resubscribe, it kind of resets everything again and hit the notification bell. So if that helps anyone with the questions about not getting notifications, just unsubscribe, resubscribe and hit the notifications bell. And it's all free. Free entertainment, fun and games. Watch me dither my way through painting experiences, let's call them. Painting experiences. Some experiences fantastic and some not so. Okay, this was a canvas that I previously poured over. I didn't like it. I scraped it off when it was a bit dry. So it's completely dry now. It's been like this for a few weeks. So I thought I would do a plain and simple little flip cup pour over this paint. And now my dogs decide to bark the nana off. Okay, a flip and lip. Let's do this thing. So this is with the glue and water pouring medium, which is in the drop down box underneath, so you'll see the recipe there. Hopefully it's a nice quick and simple basic flip cup pour for you. So that is the navy. The navy I do make up myself out of phthalo blue, a little blob of black and a blob of dark green. So that's how I make my navy. This is the turquoise in the Mont. Really lovely. So my pouring medium recipes underneath. This has all got a few drops of Helmar silicone in, which is a game changer. It just only needs a few drops and it's really lovely. So that is I've got it written Viridian. That's a really lovely sort of teal colour. And I'm going to go, where shall I go again? Okay, I'll go back to the navy. And I will come back to the red. So this is just a nice, simple, easy flip cup pour, and I hope that it turns out a beauty. Back to the turquoise. I think I would like some white in there. So I've got this white that I pre-make up in the that was pre-made up, but I stored it in the containers. These are the containers that I get my glue in, that I make up my pouring medium in, at those ratios. It's all underneath in the description. But when you've finished with these containers, they are great for storing paint in. And then you've got this really nice little squirty end, so you can squirt paint in too. So just do that one. Might add some of this aqua. Go back to my red, because red, aquas, teals, they just look beautiful together, and also with the navy. And I've got a fly going around like a blooming jumbo, not a jumbo jet, what you call them? What's them really fast jets? I can't think. Ah, having a brain fart, I tell you. My brain has gone to just shush up. Just shush up, Jilly, and keep pouring. There you go, back. And I'll just finish it off. Oh, it's going to pour the water in. Finish it off with some white on here. So hopefully I'm going to get a delightful flip and lip. So a nice simple one for you guys. And to answer the question that I have been asked, can I pour over a used canvas? You most certainly can. You can pour over it when it's fully dry, pour over it. Sometimes it may crack if it reacts with the other, but often it doesn't, so all's good. Because if you didn't like it and you were going to throw it anyway, it's just better to try it and then practice your techniques on it. So here we go. Flip cup. Okay, I might squirt some white. Yeah, actually, let's see if I can get some cells happening underneath the paint. So you're kind of like injecting the paint. Squirt over me corners. Hope you guys are all going well. If you're feeling lonely, you're feeling out of sorts, reach out please for somebody. Don't be alone there. If you've got family and friends, get on the phone, get on FaceTime, get on Messenger to your family and friends. Don't suffer loneliness or feeling bad about a situation. Get and talk with someone, please, please. Lots of phone line services as well, so please, please do some painting. So I'm going to burp this underneath the paint. Oh, look at those cells coming up. Wowzers, trousers. Well, this side, look at this. Looky, looky. Wow, haven't even done anything yet. Sort of burping it out. So it's kind of not a flip cup, is it? It's a burper. So there's lip in it. Wow. Oh, I'm losing all my cells. It's just going off on its own merry way. But look at this lacing here. Wowzers. This, I'm not sure if you can see that. I'll give you a close-up. I'm probably going to tilt it all off now, but those colours are just the bomb together. They're great. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Oh, okie doke. Let's get to this. Tilt it too much. I don't want to lose all these lovely colours. Are beautiful together. That red in there really makes it pop. Got such gorgeous lacing here. Just tipping it over the edge. I don't really want to tip too much. I'll just pour what's left in this cup over the very tippies. Come on, baby, come on out. Wow, love it. It's always nice doing the lip of your cup through it. It just adds a little bit to it. I love that. That's lacing. Colours are gorgeous, a little bit dark, but it is a beauty. I love it. It was a nice, quick, easy flip cup for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me see if I can get you. I'll put some photos on afterwards, close-ups of it. I've got all paint all over my screen now. So I'll, oh, no, wait on. Let's use the Wonder Wand, my magic wand. Let's give it, burst the air bubbles in it. Love it. Oh, I don't want too many cells coming up. I don't want actual cells popping up. I just love it the way it is. So thanks so much for joining me. Hope you loved that quick one. And until next time, bye for now. Please take care. See you soon.